Hello, welcome in this video. Today is October 30 and I would like to share with you kung ano yung dumating sa email inbox ko. Okay? This video is for the people na nagtatanong kung pwede ba talaga or posible ba talaga na kumita ng substantial income kahit nasa bahay ka lang gamit ng internet. May mga tao kasi na nagtatanong kung totoo ba talaga. May mga tao na nagtatanong kung profitable ba talaga yung home-based business. Lalo na dito sa Pilipinas na hindi uso yung mga credit cards, PayPals, etc. etc. Yung mga online transaction. Hindi pa ganun ka-establish yung e-commerce. Okay? So, this is my email inbox. Kung nakikita mo, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 emails from Supreme Wealth Alliance, which is the online business opportunity program that I am part with. And actually, ito yung online business na ginagawa ko kahit nandito lang ako sa bahay. Okay? Maghapon lang ako nasa bahay. And from time to time, chinecheck ko yung Facebook. Nagpo-promote ng business. Most of the time is nasa Facebook lang talaga yung ginagawa kong business. Tukol lang talaga actually nakasentro yung business ko ngayon. Okay, so gusto pakita sa'yo kung ano yung laman nitong mga email messages na to. Unahin natin tong 2 a.m. kanina madaling araw. So may $90. Alright. Super tayo. Pangalawa, itong 2:20 a.m. din, which is $20. Itong pangatlo, which is sabi is you have a new referral. Okay? Actually, it's just a notification na meron ako new referral. Okay, itong pang-apat, you have a new commission. It's $90. Yung panlima, na-receive ko to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You have a new commission. So, $20 din. 5, itong pang-anim, 5:12 din. It's $90. Okay? Itong sumunod is 5 o'clock, 5:16 p.m. Another $20. Sumunod is 5:22, which is $20 again. And yung pinaka-last, ito actually itong isa, you have a new referral. Again, a notification na may bago akong referral in this business. And pinaka-last yung 5:24, $20. Okay? Alright, so all in all, kung natandaan mo, tatlong $90 at limang $20. Tama ba? So, limang $20, that's $100. And tatlong $90 is $270. So, in total, that's $370 times 42 pesos. That's 15,540 pesos. Total commission for today. Okay? October 30. Right? So, yung iba naman, baka tinatanong, baka ngayon lang yan. Okay? Ngayong araw mo lang yan kinita. Okay? Actually, kinocompile ko siya dito. Kung makikita mo, araw-araw, almost everyday ako nakakatanggap ng commission. Nagbabari from $90 to $20. Minsan $70. So, yan, 29, kahapon, 28, tatlo, 27, dalawa, 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay? So, 25, 24, wala. Okay? So, ganun talaga business. May mga araw na minsan wala ka rin commission. Pero bumalik nung 23, man. Isa, dalawa, 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kung makikita mo, it's starting to be consistent na. Okay? I'm doing the business for 4 months now. Almost 4 months. So, almost daily na ako nakakatanggap ng commissions. So, it's very, very profitable. And kung tatanungin mo ako kung mahirap ba o madali yung business, actually, hindi siya mahirap and hindi rin siya madali. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Unang-una, hindi mahirap kasi nasa bahay ka lang. Okay, hindi mo kailangang sumakay ng MRT, hindi mo kailangang makipagsiksikan sa MRT, hindi mo kailangang pumila sa FX, hindi mo kailangan mausukan, hindi mo kailangan makipag-deal sa masungit mong boss. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang iwan yung pamilya mo. Okay? Yung mga ganun. Pero hindi rin siya madali kasi kailangan mong gawin yung business. Unang-una, kailangan mong aralin yung mga ituturo namin sa'yo. Okay? Kagandahan sa Team Unstoppable Internet Entrepreneurs, may mga naka-ready na kaming video trainings tsaka mga documented trainings like PDF na ibibigay na lang sa'yo. Actually, yung mga trainings na yun are based on our learning experience na ibibigay lang namin sa'yo. Ang kailangan mo na lang gawin, aralin mo and i-apply mo. Ganun kasimple. Ibig sabihin, na-leverage mo na yung mga pinagdaanan namin, yung mga experience namin. Okay, so ibibigay na lang namin sa iyo yung information na yun para magawa mo din yung business mo ng tama at para ikaw din mismo ay kumita ng ganitong income. Okay? So, yun lang. Kung hindi ka pa part ng Team Unstoppable Internet Entrepreneurs at ng Supreme Wealth Alliance, I'm inviting you again na tignan mo ulit yung video, especially yung compensation plan, lalo na yung products. Okay? And kung sa tingin mo is fit sa itong opportunity na to, you are very, very welcome na maging part ng business opportunity na to. We are more than willing na tulungan at turuan ka para maging successful din sa online business na to. So, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon.